So far, this is a great deal. Just installed them and mowed the yard. Super easy to put on. I did reuse the factory washers because the ones you get with it do not compare. The new C-clips fit nicely, so I use them. Don't forget to grease everything. Highly recommend. Update, tires are still going strong. No problems at all, even sitting for long periods of time. Just add one thin spacer in back and original washer on front for hub cap. Will need cotter pin. Cadet doesn't use C-clips. Installed in 10 minutes. Cut grass no problems. Will it last? Perfect fit for a lifetime garden cart. These wheels have bushings instead of bearings like the OEM wheels, but the cart still rolls easily under heavy load. Perfect replacement for my JD mower. Easy to install. Exact fit on my John Deere. Comes with spacers and E-clips. Great replacement for E100 front tires, came with all new hardware. Easy to install but used original washers and clips and they fit the dust caps. The washers that came with were smaller and thinner. The welds on the grease zerks fittings had pinhole in each of them. It don't affect anything but makes a mess when greasing them. Just installed today, so we'll see how they hold up. Sweet tires. Put them on my John Deere STX30. Bigger than my old ones but work good. Fast shipping 4 days early. Love it. Great deal for the price. I shopped around a lot before I bought tires. For 2 wheels and 2 tires you can't really beat this price. I would highly recommend these to anyone. The original tires on my John Deere La 110 only held 13 psi. These ones hold 30 psi. That may not seem like much, but when steering that makes a huge difference. Almost feels like power steering. Some have asked if it fits other tractors. Will slipped right on my old Craftsman. I reused the original clips, but with the included spacers I was able to get back a nice snug fit. Much better than the flattened tires, and I run to the local tire shop. This fit my Craftsman riding lawnmower perfectly. Tires came together with the wheel hub including washers and retaining C-clip. Would highly recommend. Traction was great on my hilly backyard. Worked out good. Click link in description for more reviews.